Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at using website data. And I'm glad we already talked about tables because that's how Excel pulls in data from websites is in table format. So let's take a look. I'm going to take us to Wikipedia. And this is a list of US counties by GDP. If you look at this, you see that it has a few tables in here. This is the 2022 list. This is the 2021 list. So those are the two main tables. Let's copy this URL. Then I'll come back to using website data. Go to where it says data. I was on the Rock customized ribbon. Let's go to the data tab. Click here from web. Paste the basic URL here. And click OK. It goes out and it looks at these different tables. We've got some suggested ones. Let's click on this first one and we'll go ahead and load. So this is brought in to a new table in a new tab. This one is county population 2020, county GDP 2017. So let's look and see which table this is. If we go back here, it starts with Los Angeles. So I think this is that first table. So instead of needing to copy this, if you wanted to do some analysis on this, you can do this kind of import. Look here where it has what would be imported as a merged cell. If you copied and pasted this, that's ranked 11th. So the county and the city are both San Francisco. Let me go back to number 11 here. See how it did split it out into county and city so that it's not a merged cell. Note how you've got this unfortunate use of B here so that what was a footnote now shows up as a misspelled text here. So just know that you're going to need to clean up your data a bit if you want to use the exact name. But then we can go get another one. Here, go to data from web, paste that again. Come here, let's take table 2. And if we load this, this is saying from 2012. If I go back to here and scroll down, this is saying 2012. So this is the second table in here. Now in here on the web, you've got these links that if you click on these, it takes you to that Wikipedia page, which is how a wiki works, a good one anyway. When you bring it in here, it does not have any links. So something to keep in mind. Not every website is going to let you do what Wikipedia lets you do here. Academic websites often will, but you go to a commercial website like Amazon or IMDb, for example, let's say. And if you tried to do this and bring it into Excel, it says use anonymous access for website content. I click connect. Oh wow, it is giving me some access here. Okay, that was not a very good example of what would not work. So these are the contents that IMDb's front page has on here. Let's go ahead and try kut.org. So these are going to be the headlines in table 1. Table 2 looks like it's external. Table 3, extra links. And there we go. So some websites share more data than others, but this is a great way especially with public data, to get access to and start analyzing there in Excel. So that's using website data. Next, I'm going to do a review of our 100 videos that we've done together and talk about what's coming up after that. See you then.